Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and installing of this new Shein wig that I got. This is my first time ordering from Shein for a wig, so we're going to see how this goes. It's been a minute since I installed a wig, and I need to let my real hair just be tucked away for a minute because she's been through a lot of heat lately, so I think she needs a break. So I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, follow me on my Instagram for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. We're gonna go through all the contents in my basket that I may need for my install. It's been a while and I do things my way, and I do need practice, but I mean, it gets the job done, honestly. I mean, as long as I just keep doing it and practicing my installs, I'll get better, but I haven't been doing that. But to braid down my hair, I like to keep it moisturized, so I have just a spray bottle of water. I use Extreme to slick my hair down. I have this Miel rice water. I like to put leave-in conditioner in it. It's a moisturizing milk, but I like to keep my hair, since it's going to be tucked away, moisturized. I use the Got2b, my blow dryer. Excuse me, I'm still a little under the weather. I have, this is just conditioner and water, but I use that. I have alcohol, Fantasia, the mousse that I have, more Got2b. I use this, the Ebon tinted lace, to tint the lace, because I suck at bleaching the knot, so I just don't even bother no more. The adhesive, I have the Silk Therapy for the wig, my wax stick, a brush, some foundation if I need it. Of course, brushes, wig cap, and then these cotton rounds, and then a rat tail comb for parting. But I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair back. I don't do it perfect because no one's gonna see it, and I mean, it doesn't have to be that great. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid it down now and show you guys. I've been trying to grow my hair out. I actually shaved my hair a couple years ago. I shaved it bald because I had to start over because I had a perm, so I'm all natural right now. She's super thick, my. I can't wait till she gets put up, until she gets longer. But yeah, this is my hair. And I love how it's natural. I'm starting to go on the natural side, but I want it to be a little longer before I wear it out. I don't wear my real hair out often. It's just so thick and it's a lot. But I love it. Like, this is your sign to go natural, honestly. Like, you don't need a perm. Honestly, like my hair, if I just, you just have to take more time and you have to have more patience with natural. But I promise, I was always that girl that was like, I need a perm, bone straight. But the volume that my hair has now and how curly, like, you don't realize how beautiful your curl pattern is until you go natural and you shampoo it and you condition it and you wash it and you see your beautiful curls. I love them. Like, I fell in love. This is your sign. You don't need a perm because you can straighten it and it's going to be real nice. You can get your silk presses, whatever, and it'll still be straight. But you can also wear it really pretty curly, and sometimes I do, but I'm starting to embrace it a little bit more. But yeah, I love my natural hair. My mom was like, you should definitely go natural, and I'm like, girl, I'm about to do this perm right now while we on the phone. I would do my own perms too sometimes. I would do my own perms a lot, actually. I would do them at home, and they just made my hair straight. I love my hair to be straight. But honestly, when I tell you, like, it gets easier. I'm halfway done. So I have 1, 2, 3 in my head now. They're not perfect, but they're perfect to me. I think I might have, ooh, I don't know. I really want to cut these into 3, but we'll see how my hair is treating me. They're not even parts either. I really don't even be trying my best, honey. I just kind of do whatever. As long as they're, you know, pretty tight, then it's fine. All right, now that I'm looking like Cleo, it is time to I'm just gonna tuck these in the back and we're gonna put the stocking cap over. So let me tuck it and come back with the stocking cap on. All right, so I have the stocking cap on and I'm gonna take my little scissors in here. I'm gonna cut where my eyes are so I can see. So I can't see a thing right now. Alright. One eye. And I'll just do like a ski mask. Alright. So I can see we're gonna cut. This wig cap is already really streaky actually. I'm gonna cut my ears. See, yeah, I really should have used one of my thicker ones because this is like already ripping, but it's okay. I really don't really like using stocking caps anymore anyway, but alright, got your ears. Now we're gonna do here. I'm gonna use this Supreme, the black one. And I'm gonna do thin layers, 3 thin layers along my hairline. And just so they're not white, I'm gonna go in and with my rat tail comb. And I switch between this and the spray, y'all, so. Trying to get this wig cap just to lay down. It's already sticky, sticky, sticky. Yeah. I'm gonna take the blow dryer and blow dry it. And I'll come back. Alright, we're cutting the lace. I use these little scissors to cut them. And just kind of cut as close as possible. This is actually kind of dull, but I prefer the tiny one. I usually fix the shape after I finish cutting it, but I usually try to cut it in the shape that I want it. I don't really match my hairline, I kind of go with what best suits me at that point. Ooh. Sometimes I get too close. Oh. Alright, and then I take that in, and then I take this in. So let me cut this, but I'm going to cut it with the big scissors. Oh my god, my nose. I just take these two ends and I tie them in the back so the cap is tight on me. That's a good trick. So if you want to keep it really tight, tie them in the back. I gotta cut a little bit. Okay. There we go. Alright, now we go. Just tie it regular, tie them a few times. That way you have that extra security and tightness in your wig cap. Don't tie it too tight, I get headaches. Okay, like that. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put foundation on it. I'm gonna lay these edges flat and then I'll come back. Okay, next I just put foundation on. I laid down the edges. So we're gonna open her up and see. It is the Shein wig. It's 28 inches, 180 density, a 13x4. So we open the box up, and here is the wig. And we have, of course, a wig cap inside. Put that in my basket, and a user guide on how to do it. So let's see. This is her out the package. Alright, bouncy curls. The hair feels really good. Wow. It feels really, really good. So, I'm going to put her on, stop her right here, and see how I want it. I'm going to first pluck a little bit on here, and then I'll come back so we can glue her down. Then, I'm going to take this ebon tinted brown lace spray, and I'm going to spray the inside of the wig just so the hairline can match my skin tone and it looks more realistic. I can already tell this is really good quality hair. Like, it's super duper soft. All right, so what I did was I just tinted the lace so it's like skin tone. It's really pretty colors too. It has like that blonde. All right, I'm gonna put her down to figure out where I want her to lay. I've seen girls that like leave the lace down and then cut it off. Usually I cut it like halfway and then cut the rest, but I think I'm just gonna leave it all the way on and then cut it. So it looks so good. Look at that. For Shein, you can't beat it. Like, look at that hairline. Like, look at that quality hair. It's really good. Look. You can't beat it. So I'm gonna I think I want to do a little bit of baby hairs right here. Maybe, or should I just not do baby hairs and not do a, maybe I shouldn't do baby hairs. Okay, this is what all the hair looks like in the, put up to the front. Look how I might really just keep it like this curly and just put it flat. Kind of just brush through it. I'll come back when I don't even know what I'm gonna do right now. I think I'm going to figure out where I want it, flip it up. I'm gonna put dots of glue. I'm gonna tint the lace a little bit more. All right, I got it how I want it, and I'm gonna start gluing it down. Put these drops. Make sure to really, you don't want any white. So you want to really make sure you blend it in as you possibly can. Right now, I'm blow drying it. So what I did, these are my baby hairs that I'm gonna cut. I just did dots of that glue. I did 2 layers of that glue, and then I did the Anastasia, that spritz, and then I did my rat tail comb, made sure it was laid down. I put my 2 elastic bands on it, and now I'm just heating it up so it can be a really nice melt. And I'll come back. All right, so I finished blow drying. Now I'm gonna take, I have so many clips and stuff in right now. I'm gonna take it, and the last melt, I keep my bands on for a long time. Okay, so I customized my baby hairs. I melted it one last time. So right now I have my wax stick. We're gonna go with my wax stick. We're gonna make our part. We're gonna flatten the top. I'm not gonna style it, but I did brush it out a little bit. I'm not gonna style it in this video. This is just like a brief overview because my phone keeps going out. So I'm just gonna show you. Then I'll do like a more in-depth tutorial if I get like enough on here. But I just put foundation on a rat tail comb, whatever. And I make a part in my wig. I have to hurry because I don't want my phone to go out again. Like this. And I line it up. And I rock it back and forth so it can make that part. Oh, ooh-wee. I'm gonna go back in because it could be better. I'm probably gonna end up plucking it a little bit, but yikes, I did not mean to do that. That's better. Okay, that's a little better. Whatever. All right. I'm gonna take my wax stick and I'm gonna lay this hair down, especially the back. And I'm just putting the wax stick on. Oh God. And have my hot comb. And I just go in, but I make sure that base is on my hair as well. Oh no, I think I... It's already starting to look really flat. It's important to get that base on it because, see, you can hear it while you're combing it through. I might get my ear on this one. Like that. It's already looking so good, look. I'm gonna put more right here. Looks good. Looks nice and flat. Alright, let's take I'm gonna keep that on just in case. I'm gonna take the band off. Okay. This is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna clean up this with some alcohol, and yeah, so I'll be right back once I clean it up, fix these curls, and then I'll be back. All right, this is the final look. I put some makeup on and my contacts in, a little bit of lip gloss. I just brushed the curls and then just coiled them, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's what it's giving. So tell me how I did, and if you guys want a more detailed, like step by step, I can show you guys. But here's the back of her. She's 28 inches. I love the color. It's super pretty. I can't wait to style it, but I'm gonna kind of just wear it like a middle part for now, but I'm super obsessed with how it turned out. I took my time. This is probably the best install I have ever did, so I'm super proud of it. It's giving length, it's giving volume, it's giving bounce. Okay, Shein, so you guys might have to get you one of these. This one was $225, but I have to say for the length and the price, it is definitely worth it. So, bye everyone.